are pleased to show you 2021 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.